this is robotics for mechatronic engineers who want to go into robotics and all designs, which you talk about the arms, the arms, the arms. There are more robotic in here, and this is a robotic for helping you guys understand. Let's look at manipulators. Let's see what happens when we use a robotic arm to do one of this industrial activity on getting a polar arm robot to do a job in the industry. Because when you're in the university system and you are there, you don't understand this whole thing. Now there's a direct programming of spherical robot and indirect. There's so many of them, but let's take this first one. Let's look at how do you manipulate the dashboard by going to this one to open up the direct programming of a spherical robot. Now watch how we do this practical. This is only what we can do for you. The rest you have to come for a live training. Now this is a virtual lab. Let me stroll in the lab, and you see me stroll in the lab. This is the lab. I'm just strolling. I'm moving around the lab to see how we can move around. I'm moving to using the back. Here's the chair. So if I'm to teach you, you see me there like a lecturer. This is a lab. Now let's go into the laboratory and look around. This is sodium ion. This is a lab we're moving in. This is our wardrobe where we can keep our tools, which you can go and pick later. This is the sodium ion. Let's go for this sodium ion. We can do all experiments which you want to do. Let's go. This is also a clamp where we do a lot of things we can do. But let's go back now to the lab, the front desk, and see what we can do about it. Let's throw back. I am blocked. Let me take this side out. I am strolling virtually in the lab. This is me strolling in the lab doing my work. So I have to go back here and come and prepare experiment. Let's go to it. Fine. Now we're now starting the experiment. The virtual laboratory experiment. A direct programming of a cylindrical robot. A factory needs to install a new cylindrical robotic arm in the polar plane in order to move parts during the manufacturing process. You are the person in charge of assembling the terminal elements and programming the robot directly. Using the remote control, the part must be transported from coordinate 30 from a position 30 to a 15 degrees angle to coordinate 40 of 60 degrees angle, because you have a rho and theta, which you know how to do that on paper, but you cannot do that on the lab. Now let's look at how it works. Here is the remote control to control this robotic arm, and this is cylindrical matter. These are the hands we're going to be using. So let's pick it up. Let's now use 30, 15 a bit.
Yes.
Now it says 30. Let's now add 30. Look at it, it's going to 30. Let's add the distance to 30. We're looking for 30 distance. 30. And go to 30. Now let's go to the angle at 15 degrees. So we're going to move it further by clicking on play. The arm moves. You see the arm that moved. We want to pick this. What arm am I going to use? Let's see what else we can carry it. We pick that. We go back to the remote and say, let's come down. Let's go down. And we click down and it goes down. Let's see how we can clamp it by holding and play. And we now go back and say, let's go up with it. Oh no, we didn't pick it. So that means the handle is not the right one. So we're going to pick it out and put a new one. We'll now take the 3 and put inside. Because this other arm here is suction, is magnetic. So you can just suck it, but you can't suck the cylinder. So let's go back and go down and see if we can pick it. Let's go back to the dashboard and hold it and take it off.
You forgot to hold.
I forgot to hold it, sorry, let me hold it. I hold it and I go down. Sorry, I had to go down again, sorry. I'm rushing to finish up this thing before the time is not there. And I go this and I click on hold and I play with the hold and I've clipped it. The hold that started is big again because it's big. Hold it to it wants to hold it again. Let me refresh it. Let's hold it again. Let's take it out. To 30 what?
15.
Okay, let's play that out.
You forgot to move it.
30, 15. 30, 15. Let's take it out. Alright. Let's open and release the hands so that we can go in. Very good. Let's go down to it and hold it down And let's now see we can hold it. And let's click on it. It does not help it. We're not going to go up and play. And now we're up. We're going, what are we going to?
I think 40-30.
40-30. Are you sure?
Not really.
Not really.
No.
40-30. Let's see. Let's confirm where we're going. 40-60. If you forget, you can always go back and confirm. So go to 40-60. So we're going to 40-60. 40-60. We're now at 60. We're now second play. Fine, take some there. And we're going to drop it now. We're going to go down and drop it. We're going to release it now. Release it. We're going to go up. I'm going to take our hand back by going back to normal. To the normal state. And you see what's happening. This is how it works. I will say quickly. And we're done. And this is how we can do obstacles to remove cylindrical issues from an area cylinder. So if you want to learn more, you book a date with us and we do more training with you. That is how we do our laboratories. Thank you very much.